Welcome to today's video where we dive into beautiful Mediterranean tradition of olive harvesting and fermentation here in southern Istria. So in this video I will take you through every step of the process from picking the olives to preparing them for fermentation. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we start with picking the olives. So these little fruits are packed with flavor and they are a key part of Mediterranean cuisine. I carefully handpick them, ensuring that I select only the best olives for fermentation. Once I've gathered the olives, I begin by soaking them in the water for 2 to 3 days. So this helps to reduce the bitterness and prepare them for the fermentation process. To further help with the bitterness, I prick each olive out with a toothpick. So this step allows the water to penetrate into the olives more easily and extract the bitter compounds and softening the fruit on its own. So next, after 2 to 3 days, I prepare the brine solution. So this usually goes for every liter of water. It adds up to 100 grams of salt. So this creates an ideal environment for the fermentation. You can also customize the brine with your favorite herbs and spices. Today I will be using fresh rosemary from my garden and basil for that perfect Mediterranean aroma. That is my pick, so you can choose whatever herbs you like. Once the brine is ready, I mix the olives within the solution, making sure that each olive is fairly submerged. It is important to stir them well so they absorb the flavors of the salt and the herbs. Now I will transfer the olives and brine into glass jars, sealing them very tightly. So this keeps olives in airtight environment, which is crucial for the fermentation process. You should make sure that you fill the glass jar to the top of the lid so that there is minimum air inside of the jar, due to the fact that if not, there can be mold that can prevent the fermentation process. I then place the jars in a cool, dark place where they can ferment for about 2 to 3 months, and during this time the olives will transform into delicious, flavorful snack ready to be enjoyed just about in Christmas time. So after 2 months to 3, your homemade fermented olives will be ready to taste, a perfect Mediterranean treat. So thank you all for joining me on this journey of olive harvesting and fermentation, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos about Mediterranean traditions here in southern Istria.